Hello and welcome to the Nightingale College Library. This video is going to cover what is a permalink and how to use permalinks inside of our EBSCO library databases. Now, I encourage you to start your day on My Nightingale, and from here you want to select the library, and this will take you to the library homepage where you have access to all of the library services that are provided, as well as our click here to launch EBSCO button that will take you to the library databases. Here you will find access to all of the databases that we subscribe to and different areas where you can start your research in order to utilize permalinks. Now, what is a permalink? A permalink is short for a permanent link. This is going to give you permanent access to any of the information that you are utilizing for your research so that you can come back to it in the future. You are able to get started on your research using the databases A to Z list, our journals and newspapers A to Z list, the search box found here, as well as our databases icon that is found here at the bottom of your screen. Now, the databases icon, as well as the databases A to Z list, will all take you to the same access point where you are able to view our full collection of the databases that we subscribe to. Now, going back to the main landing page, you are able to use the search box here to get started on your search. And this search box is going to cover all of the databases, all of our journals and newspapers, as well as additional resource types that are found inside of databases. And here we can do a test search in order to access our results. And I'll talk about where you can go to utilize the permalink feature. Now, if it's your first time accessing the library databases for a particular browsing session, it will ask you to log in using your Nightingale email. Once you have been granted access, you will be taken to the results page, and here you will find all of the results that have been generated based off of your topic keyword search. Here on the left-hand side navigation, you have research tools, some account management tools, as well as access to your EBSCO account that can be found here in the top right-hand corner. For more information on how to utilize the features that are found here, be sure to access the library tutorials section on the library homepage. We're going to stay focused on permalink feature and how to, again, utilize that for your research. Now, the permalink feature, also known as the permanent link, is going to be found inside of your results. So every result that you have in your results list is going to have the feature for you to access the permanent link for that particular title. So as we can see, we have over 6 million results. All 6 million plus of those results are going to have a permalink inside of each individual title. Clicking on this first title here, we're going to be taken to the information record about this particular article. An information record is going to give you information like the title, the author, the source, and additional subject keywords that are affiliated with this particular research article. All of these things that are highlighted and blue and underlined are available for you to conduct additional research. So essentially you can click on these things and continue to research further about that particular topic. Now, to access the permalink, you want to use the article tools that are found here. The permalink is found here in the share feature for this particular result. You will click on share and you will see that there are different areas that will allow you to share this information. You are able to share it using your Google Drive, your OneDrive. You can also email this information. And finally, you can create a link. This create a link button is going to give you the permalink, again, also known as the permanent link for this particular title. So you're able to access this information anytime, anywhere, and you can also share this information with your community. So if you need to share this with instructor, your peers, or what have you, you are able to copy this information, this link here, and it will again create a permanent access point for you to go back and reference this information in the future. So we've copied it to the clipboard. Let's go ahead and test out accessing that link to get to this particular article. All right, so for more information and tutorials like this, be sure to access the library homepage, select the library tutorials section to get started. Thanks for watching.